Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new electric kettle, the water heater. So it's a 1.7 liter, as we can see here on the box, it's written here, and the brand name is BOSCH. BOSCH, the model is My Moment, BOSCH My Moment 1.7 liter. So we all know that BOSCH is the very reputed brand from Germany, and this is the kettle. So recently I ordered this from Amazon before the Black Friday, so I got some discount. So the regular price is around 40 euro, but with discount I bought it with 30 euro. So this evening it's came to my home via DHL. So I just bring it on the table now to unbox in front of you guys. So as we can see here, so these are the operational pictures, how we can operate this electric water heater. And also if we turn out the box, we can see here also there are some options how we can use it. And the other side of the box, here we can see all the features for this water heater. And this is the top. So let's open it. So I already cut it. I already cut the manufacturer tape. So let's unbox it. So at the beginning here are some QR code to download BOSCH app. We don't need it. This is kind of cardboard, and I think yeah, so this is the electric kettle main thing. So and inside the box there are also the base of the kettle with AC power cord, and as usual the user manual and warranty paper, some sticker tags. So that's it from this box. So let's put it beside. So this is the base with AC power cord, and we all know that this is the AC power channel where we put our kettle. And in the base it's written and the BOSCH, and obviously it's made in China. So you all know that 95% of the electronic and electrical appliances are made in China in this world. So it's not surprising, but the company, it's from Germany, Stuttgart. So design and R&D happened in Germany and only manufactured in China. And it's a 222 240 volt AC it support. So it's a 2-pin EU standard AC cord, and this is the main kettle. So let's unwrap it. Wow, such a nice kettle. It's fully shiny. As we can see here, it's a full stainless steel body, and on the top I think it is a push button. So if I push once, then it's open the top of the kettle and pour the water, and then I can just normally press it slowly, then it's locked, and then you put on the base and plug in with AC, and then you go on with when you turn on this on switch. And in the behind of the handle of this kettle, we can see here there are the scale for the water level scale. So from 300 milliliter to until 1.7 liter max, it's written. Also it's written here like with the cup sign that for 0.5 liter for 2 cup of hot water, 1 liter for 4 cup of hot water. So it's easier to understand. And obviously it's written the brand Bosch, and at the base it's also written the same thing like Bosch Munich, Germany. And this is the AC power line to go through the kettle to hot the water. So, and it's a very solid handle, plastic handle. And once more I can open this. So you can fully open it like this, pour the water and just put it like this, and this is the base. So after you pour the water, you plug in with AC, and then you put this kettle on this base, and then with fill up water you just push it like this when it connected to the AC. So that's it, I think, so far. So nothing else for today. So that's it from my side today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.